In 14th numerical, they have given you one convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. And then they are telling you that the object of height 5 centimeter is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of the convex mirror. You have to find out the position of the image and its nature and size. So first of all, we'll write what kind of mirror we have. So we have a convex mirror, it is a diverging mirror. Then we'll write all the given quantities. So they gave us the height of the object, it is plus 5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट का हाइट हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही होता है क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट को हम कभी उल्टा नहीं रखते हैं, वो सीधा ही रखते हैं. द ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इज गिवन, कितने डिस्टेंस पे रखा था 20 सेंटीमीटर. सो इट इज़ गिवन. मिरर है तो हम हमेशा मिरर के सामने चीज़ों को रखते हैं. ओके, so we know that the object distances for the mirrors will always be negative, so I have to write minus 20. Then they have given us radius of curvature. We know the relation between radius of curvature and focal length. Focal length is half of radius of curvature. So what we will write? This radius of curvature 30 divided by 2, that will give you focal length. तो मिल गया, radius of curvature 30 था और उसका half कितना हो गया, focal length. Now I have to calculate the position of the image, that is V, and then the size, that is H dash of the image. So we'll start with the mirror formula. Then I want to calculate the image distance, so I'll make 1 by V subject of equation. I'll substitute all the values along with the sign and obtain the value of V. Now I wanted position. So position, first of all I'll solve for position. So see here, V is positive. What does this mean? That the image is formed behind the mirror. Whatever the things are in front of the mirror, then it will be negative. Okay, so objects are always placed in front of mirror, so object distance will be negative. If the image is formed behind the mirror, then it will be positive, and if the image is formed in front of mirror, then the image distance will be negative. Here I have obtained the image distance positive. This means that the image is formed behind the mirror. At what distance? This distance, which I have already calculated. Now they need to know the information about size. So we'll write the formula for magnification of the mirror. So this is the formula for magnification. M is equals to H dash by H. But I know one more formula of magnification. M is equals to minus V divided by U. So from that I can say that H dash by H is equals to minus V by U. From this equation I'll make H dash subject of equation. So ये H जो है उसको हम equal to के दूसरे side में ले लेंगे. So I'll get this equation, and in this equation I'll substitute all the values along with its sign, and I will obtain the H dash. Now here I can see that the H dash is less than H, and so I can say that the image is smaller than that of the object. तो size हमने calculate कर ली है, ठीक है. Afterwards we need to know the nature of the image. Now here see, H dash is positive, and if height of the image is positive, what does this mean? That the image is vertical. Okay, because it is positive, and all the vertical means the erect images are virtual.